Hey, business owners. Hope all of you are doing well. I am your growth partner, Aminur, and today I want to talk with you about Google ad structure. So, it's an important thing before running Google ads, and we need to calculate something about Google ad structure so that our ad give us the best performance. I know most of your business, I mean local business are running Google Ads, but I don't know if you notice or not that you are getting lots of impression, lots of click, but not enough lead or call you expected, right? So there is a lots of reason behind this thing, but the one of important reason is your bad account structure. So here I just prepare some of real life example slide for you so that you can understand this perfectly. So first of all, why Google ad structure matters. Here it says better structure equals better leads, call and local customer. So Google ad work best when campaigns, ad group, keyword, ad asset, landing pages and conversion all match the same customer intent. That means when I am preparing a campaign, then I need to prepare ad group, then keyword, ad asset, landing page. So I need to convert all of these things in a same intent for give the best result, right? So here is a one thing that before a good campaign structure, one campaign, one ad group, all service mix. That means suppose you are giving cleaning service, right? So you make a ad group, one ad group about cleaning service, then you take, you give multiple service in that ad group, in that campaign. So Google ad algorithm will be confused that which ad he need to put on rank or which not. So this is a after example that separate by service, urgency and the lead value, plumbing, emergency, dental, appointment, locksmith, urgent, HVAC, high value. So this is that proper ad structure turns Google ad from random advertising into a clean lead generation system. So the real goal for a good ad account structure is qualified leads, form leads, booking, real customer. So here is the second presentation that bad structure versus good structure. In bad structure, we generally put one campaign for all service, mix keyword in one ad group, and same ad for every search, all traffic to homepage, no negative keyword, no call tracking, and it became a messy thing for you. You will not get any expectable lead call. You will get random fake click from different types of country, different types of area, which will not work with you. So result, waste is spent, irrelevant click and poor leads. And what does a good structure do? Listen carefully. That campaign by service or goal, ad group by search intent, keyword, ad and landing pages match, strong negative keyword, dedicated landing page, proper call and form tracking. So this is a good account structure example that first campaign, then emergency plumber ad group, drain cleaning ad group, water heater repair ad group, and we will put a dedicated landing page for each of ad group. So the result is higher relevance, better leads, lower cost per lead. So good structure make campaign easier to control, optimize and scale, and bad structure make your brain even more painful. Okay, so we jump into a third slide that Google ad structure breakdown. So how things work or how a Google ad structure look like. That means that first we need campaign, define goal and budget. Then ad group, group similar keyword and ads, then keyword triggered for search intent. Then ads deliver the right message. Then our asset, which we also call extension, ad extension, enhance trust and relevance, landing pages, continue the conversion and conversion tracking, measure and optimize all. That means we can grab the audience details or data from our landing page visitors, right? So before misalign structure, keyword emergency plumber near me, and after emergency plumber near me. But the difference is ad professional plumbing service, but the ad is 24/7 plumbing service. Do you feel the difference? There is no urgency in better structure, but there is an urgency based ad group in good structure. Landing page is home page, but here is landing page dedicated emergency plumbing page. Here the problem is message does not match urgency, but here we get the phone call conversion. So when the keyword ad and landing pages match, conversion potential increases. It's a very common thing when your ad copy, keyword, landing page details, everything match together, your ad will jump into rank on Google search. And from this, you will get highly qualified lead, call, and the things you want, obviously. So every layer of the campaign should match the same customer problem and search intent. When I search emergency plumber near me, here the ad will show, and this is I can say this easily. This is a good ad structure example where there is a first headline, there is a description, and there is other call asset, location asset, and a promotional asset. Okay, then our fourth slide. Here I put a real life example of plumbing business. So in plumbing business, the bad structure, how bad structure look like, and you can match yourself. If this is matched with your setup ad, I can guarantee this, your money is continuously wasted. You are continuously wasting your money. So this is bad structure, campaign, plumbing, ad group, all services, and example keyword plumber near me, emergency plumber, drain cleaning, water heater repair, plumbing jobs, how to fix a leak, weak ad copy. I just put professional plumbing service, quality plumbing solution for your home. That's not a good thing, you know. We need to specify about our services. In every ad group, we need to specify what I give to my customer, right? There is a thing in that message that when I complete a ad copy with a good structure, with a proper value of messages, when a people search that ad or with that keyword, he will understand, yeah, this is the thing I need, this is the right service, and this man is the right man whom I need, right? Okay, so better structure, campaign, search, plumbing, leads, Dallas. It is a campaign name I just put. So here is a campaign. Ad group 1, which is emergency plumber. Ad group 2, drain cleaning. Ad group 3, water heater repair. So you can see how a good ad look like in a good ad structure, right? It is 24/7 plumber, emergency plumber. There is a call now extension. There is a drain cleaning expert headline description or a book now extension. Water heater repair, a promotional or call now extension. We can also use image asset like this. You are seeing the image asset. Okay, so separate plumbing services by intent, urgency, and relevance. So let's analyze another business, that dentist clinic, a real life example of that thing. Different service, the different ad, landing pages, and budget control is true. Before bad structure, campaign name just dentist, ad group, dental service. Example keyword, I just mess up all of the bad or good or everything keyword. Dentist near me, emergency dentist, teeth whitening, dental implants, dental salary, dental school, and the obviously weak ad based dental clinic, book your appointment today, etc, etc. So what a good structure look like in this dental niche. So better structure, campaign name will be search, campaign type, and my area. Obviously, I will put multiple ad group in that campaign. Ad group 1, dentist near me. It's a near me category ad group. Ad group 2, emergency dentist. It's a emergency category ad group. Ad group 3, dental implants. It's a problem solution type ad group. And teeth whitening. It's also kinds of problem solution ad group. But the difference is I just differentiate every of my services in different ad group so that Google ad structure will not become a messy when he just show my ads in front of my customer, in front of any searching people, right? Okay. So high value insight, dental implants often deserve separate budget and landing page control. Take QS, different dental services attract different intent and different lead value. Okay. Then put on another business. Real life example, locksmith business. Yeah, I just when I worked with locksmith people, service owner, the most complaint I get that my ad getting thousands of impression, lots of click, but zero lead, zero call. So why this is happening? So when I audit their business and watch the data from G4, I saw that he is running his business in USA, but he getting clicks from Canada. He getting clicks from Australia. He getting clicks from South Africa. Can you imagine? So this is why we need a good account structure. You can imagine that. Before one mix campaign, all service and topic in one ad group. Locksmith, car locksmith, house locksmith, key duplication, locksmith job, locks tool, locksmith courses. And after the structure for intent and urgency separate campaigns by service group, here I put emergency locksmith, one ad group, automotive locksmith, second ad group, and residential locksmith, third ad group. It doesn't matter that you put 3 ad group, 4 ad group, or 5 ad group. We need to focus on what types of service I am giving to my customer. It can be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It doesn't matter. But we need to focus on separate ad group with separate landing page or get the best result. Trust me, it work. I can guarantee you it work. Okay. So example ads call focused locked key in car. Okay, call now. Locked out your house 24/7 emergency locksmith, fast local help. Call now. So urgent situation need highly relevant messaging and fast call focus action. Okay. So let's jump on to another business. Oh, sorry. We don't have any other business query. So recommended campaign structure for local businesses, a practical framework most local businesses can follow. 6 recommended campaign type, which is core service campaign, emergency urgent campaign, specific service campaign, high value service campaign, brand campaign, remarketing campaign. And there is example that for campaign 1, emergency HVAC repair, campaign 2 AC repair, campaign 3 furnace repair, campaign 4 HVAC installation, campaign 5 brand campaign. So there is some example of before from one campaign multiple ad group, but after I just separate every ad group from my every services. So separate campaign by service value, urgency, location, and business goal. And I just put a keynote: clean campaign separation, improve budget control, and reporting clarity. Okay, so there is a another thing that ad group structure, one intent, one ad group. So what does that mean? So if I am giving a service of AC repair, when I'm running ad in my campaign, all of my ad group related to AC repair intent. Okay, so AC repair near me, AC condition repair, same day repair AC. Here you can see the ad group type, ad copy type, and here you can see a landing page type. And don't worry, I will also make another video about a professional good landing page structure or the keyword structure. Don't worry about that. So before bad ad group, mix intent with just AC repair, that means I just mix up all of services. And after better ad group setup, AC repair, furnace repair, duct cleaning, HVAC installation, thermostat repair. So one clear topic per ad group leads to stronger ad relevance is true. And another thing is budget, negative keyword, and tracking structure. So budget structure, example roofing. So in roofing replacement 35%, emergency roof repair 25%, roof repair 20%, roofing company near me 15%, brand campaign 5%. It means if I have a 100% budget, I just put all of my budget in different ad group in different percentage. This is the example of that, and it can be changed. It's not a fixed thing. So allocate more budget to high intent, high value services and negative keyword. And this is, trust me, this is the most important thing, to put negative keyword at your campaign level. There is some types of keyword like free services, free estimated, YouTube, jobs, tools, training, course, salary. So when people search on locksmith course, your ad randomly show in front of the people by Google. The reason is you are not put negative keyword in your campaign group, and this is the main problem. So we will put some fixed negative keyword into my campaign level. So conversion tracking, it's also essential for track how much lead I get, how much call I get, right? So call from ads, website calls, form submission, booking submission, WhatsApp click, qualified leads. So this is it, book irrelevant traffic. So before, optimize click only, no negative, no call tracking. Without all of these things, your ad become messy, your ad become garbage. But after, when you fix all of these things, your ad become a lead magnet machine. So my final structure or final presentation is Google local business Google Ads framework. So the best framework is right structure, right intent, right message, right page, right action, and the result is more call, more lead, more customer. Before, show my ad to anyone who may be interested. But after, show the specific offer to this specific person searching for the specific services and in this specific location. That means my ad will show only in front of those people who actually need my service. If I can make my ad structure more powerful, like I show there. So your final activity, choose one local businesses and build the structure life. Yeah, this is I said that just choose your niche, what type of service you're offering, and make a based structure for your ad. So the final thing is proper structure reduce waste spent and help generate better calls, leads, booking, and customer. If you have any question about ad account structure, campaign structure, ad group, ad copy, just knock me on my WhatsApp and we will have a conversation or call for solving your problem. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a nice day. Have a nice moment.